Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to remove TikTok account warning. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your TikTok account. And then, at the top left corner, click the three horizontal line and then click Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Report a Problem. And then, click Account and Profile. After that, click Profile Page and then Other. The next thing that you need to do is to click No and then click Need More Help. And then type the reasons and ask help or download photos if necessary to remove account warning. So that is how to remove account or remove TikTok account warning. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and have a great day.